Hello, students. This is your English lesson. In this lesson, we will read a poem called English is Tough, unit number 12 from Oxford Reading Circle, book 7. So, we start our lesson. Students, first of all, I will tell you about the poem. This poem has been shortened to demonstrate the irregularity of English spelling and pronunciation. It talks about how English language is strange in its pronunciation sometimes. The letters of the English alphabet can be pronounced in different ways. For example, the letter S has a different sound in Susie than in busy. So there are many reasons why learning English can be difficult. It is difficult to master the grammar, structure, the spelling, the meaning, and the rules that contradict existing ones. Now read the poem together. This is page number 116 from your book. Multinational personnel at NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization headquarters near Paris found English to be an easy language until they tried to pronounce it. This poem was devised to help them with their pronunciation, but did it? The poem is abridged. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my words. Sounds like corpse, horse, and worse. I will keep you Susie busy, make your head with heat, grow dizzy, tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall, oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dies and died, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the letter, how it's written. Now I surely will not brag you with such words as plague and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak, cloven, oven, how and low, script, receipt, show, home, and toe. Hear me say measles, isles, exiles, similes, and reviles, scholar, waker, and cigar, solar, mica, war, and far, one, enemy, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Billet does not rhyme with ballot. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, shallot, blood, and flood are not like food, nor is mode like should and would. And your pronunciations okay when you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grieve and sleeve, friend and fend, alive and live, river, rival, tomb, bomb, comb, dole and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Soul but foul, haunt but ant, font, front, wont, want, grand and grant, shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger and then singer, ginger, linger. Curie does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Through the differences seem little, we say actual but victual, mint, pint, senate, and sedate, dull, bull, and George are late, scenic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscious, scientific. Liberty Library, Heave and Heaven, Rachel, Act Mustache, 11 mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover, camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label, petal, panel, and canal, wait, surprise, plate, promise, Paul, warm and storm, sheer, chaos, cheer, senator, spectator, mayor, tour, but, or, and Soccer, for gas, alas, and Arkansas, sea, idea, Korea, area, some, Maria, but malaria. Compare alien with Italian, Dandelion, and battalion, Sere with ally, J, G, I, A, I. Way and key. Say ever, but ever. Fever, neither, liar, scan, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary, crevice and device. And airy, large, but target. Jane, give, verging, out, out, joust, and score, scourging, ear, but on, and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with here, but ear. 7 is right, but so is Ivan. Hyphen, roughen, nephew Stephen. Pronunciation, think of psyche is appalling, stout, and spiky. It's dark. It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stout, soulless gunnel. Islington and Isle of Wight, housewife, verdict and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough, though, through, plow, or do, or cuff. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. Exercises A questions 1. Apart from an introduction to difficult words, is there a message for us in the poem? Answer. Yes, the poem gives us a message that though it may sound difficult, any language can be learned if you apply yourself to it. 2. Is the poem a rhyming one? Check the couplets and see. Answer. Yes, the poem is a rhyming one and the rhyme scheme is A B B C C. 3. Which proper nouns are used in the poem? Make a list. Answer. Proper nouns are English, Susie, Britain, Balmoral, George, Arabic, Pacific, Science, Rachel, Senator, Solemn, Maria, Stephen, Isle of Wight. 4. Can you think of any other confusing English words? Write down as many as you can think of. Answer. Here is a list of some confusing words in English. Accept, except. Advice, advise. Affect, effect. Breath, breathe. Dairy, diary. Desert, desert. Lose, lose. Lose. Quiet, quiet. 5. Do you think the poet is serious when he advises the reader to give up? Should you give up something because it is difficult? Answer. I don't think the poet is serious. I think he is trying to present the stress of learning a new language in a humorous way. We should not give up something just because it is difficult, as these problems are challenges that help us grow in life. B. Words and meaning. 1. Find examples of the following in the poem. A. Words with the silent letter C. Answer is science, indict, scenic. B. Words with the silent letter B. Com, tom, bomb. C. Words with the silent letter P. Receipt, psyche, some, cop, cops. D. Words with the consecutive vowels OU. Answer. Consecutive OU, bouquet, wood, rounded, devour. Score, out, roughen, wounded. Clangor, tour, just, housewife, mold, fall, plough, enough, though, through, sound, dough, cup, sold. E. Words with 4 or more vowels. Words with 4 or more vowels. Creature, dandelion, creation, pronunciation, housewife, mustache. F. Words with three consecutive consonants. Answer is words with three consecutive consonants are English, script, sounds, corpse, corpse, surprise, scholar, laundry, hyphen, rhyme, stranger, little, psyche, conscious, constable, unstable, abyss. G. The shortest word is, the answer is I. H. The longest word, answer is the longest word is pronunciation. 2. NATO is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, a defense alliance formed by Western nations in 1949. What do these stand for? A. WHO, World Health Organization, UN, United Nations, EU, European Union, NAM, Non Aligned Movement, NAM, and SAC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. C. Discuss and write. 1. Choose 10 keywords of a single syllable from the poem and write them in a list on a sheet of paper. Answer is you, my, I, oh, be, low, to, say, eight, gas. 2. Use the rhyming words for one of the words in your list to write a line or two of amusing words. Answer. Oh, May, say I. Why are you so low? My toe, my toe. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.